Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. The holidays are approaching. We just put up our tree. I think we could use a little garland on this wall. So let's use some ribbon to make a bow garland like the human-sized ones seen on Pinterest. I'm using 2 widths of ribbon in the same color. I take the wider ribbon, cut a piece, and fold it in half to find the center and make a little crease. Glue the ends to the center. I used a tiny drop of hot glue. Take the thinner ribbon and wrap and glue it around the center. Cut another piece of ribbon, fold it over, and glue it to the back. Then cut the ends. Glue the bows together to make a quick bow garland for the dollhouse. I placed it on the wall using a few magnets to add to our holiday decorations. Speaking of holidays, I had to get the 2025 Holiday Brooklyn. The dresses this year are gold. We unboxed this doll earlier this year when the prices were around $48. But now many of them can be found on sale, online, and at discount stores for prices around $29. This Brooklyn has brown hair with a little bit of a wave, painted edges, brown eyes with a gold and shimmer eyeshadow, freckles, and a pinkish neutral lip color. Mine does have a little factory defect on it. This Brooklyn has a toothy grin, wears long gold earrings, an ivory and glittery gold dress with tulle and a bow, on a model muse body with painted nails, and she wears gold-colored heels. I like Brooklyn, so I was happy to pick up this doll. On our first 2025 Holiday Barbie, we did modify the dress by removing the bow and tucking the tulle in. This time, let's carefully remove the tulle to see how it looks, but I think I still want to remove the bow. Yeah, it's simple, but it works. Speaking of finding dolls on sale, I picked up the Bob Mackie Barbie Holiday Angel. Mattel Creations had a great sale a couple weeks back. Black Barbie Guide on Instagram posted the heads up that Barbie Club 59 members could get this doll for $35. That was originally priced at $100. We get a certificate of authenticity letting us know this is a gold label doll, a doll stand that has a little weight to it. We get a pair of wings. They are red, turquoise, silver, and white with glitter. They attach to the doll's back, and a matching halo. She wears a silver glitter trumpet dress with red fabric crossing at the top. Then the fabric continues going down on the sides. She wears silver and red dangly earrings, has silver and red bracelets, and turquoise and silver bracelets. This doll wears white heels. The dress has snaps in the back, and this doll is on a model muse body. She has brown hair that is curled at the shoulders, a center part. It does have a lot of product in it, but this doll is not shiny or pixelated. However, all this glitter is transferring onto my hands. And the halo is attached with little plastic stays, so if you remove it, it might be a challenge to reattach it. But I kinda wanna see what she looks like on a made-to-move body. I think Barbie Basics Model 1 is a match. So prepare the hot water. Well, not for the Barbie Basics doll, because her head can come right off. But this doll, I am going to place in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and can be removed. I tried to rinse out some of the product, add the head to the new body, and she's ready for the shelf. I think she's really cute. It looks like a good match. Totally going on the shelf. There's a new Ballet Wishes Barbie. From what I'm seeing, this doll is priced around $32, $34. This is a Barbie signature doll, celebrating every ballerina's delightful moments on and off stage. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. This doll has the Odile face sculpt, which is the same as this Ballet Wishes Barbie that came dressed in the same outfit, but in pink. They even both have beauty marks. Pink Odile's beauty mark is above the lip, and the purple Odile's is under the eye. She has a pearl-colored hair accessory sewn to her head. Her hair is styled in a ponytail. She wears pearl earrings made out of plastic that are removable. This doll has pink eyeshadow, a pink lip color. She wears a lavender satin outfit with an iridescent pattern in the front, ribbon straps, tulle at the shoulders, and tulle underneath. It's finished all the way around and velcros in the back. She wears sheer stockings that are separate and has matching ballet shoes with ribbon laces. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, upper thigh, hip, and knee. And she can move at the chest. She has pink painted fingernails, so I guess we don't have to body swap her unless you want the full range of a made-to-move body, which I do. And we might as well swap her as well. They look like they are the same skin tone. So let's place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into hot water. Then remove their heads and place it on the new body. To take our Holiday Barbie from Model Muse to Made to Move and give our Ballet Wishes Barbie a little more flexibility. I even swapped her hands. However, the pegs are a little different, so I have a slight wobble. But let's take her hair down like our other Ballet Wishes Barbie. I removed the rubber band and we have a little bump. So let's give her a hot water rinse and get her dressed for the shelf. I think this sculpt is adorable. I'm glad we're seeing it more often in different skin tones. And I wonder what they would look like in Barbie Dream Bestie fashion. I found these two at Ross, dressed for less for $13.99. They're like Barbie Dream Bestie swim dolls with reduced articulation. While they can still move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hip, they do not bend at the knee. Malibu is giving us classic Barbie with the curly bangs and ponytail. She wears a pink and white striped swimsuit that's made of fabric and velcros in the back. She has pink heart sunglasses, wears pink wedges, carries an orange purse that's open at the top, and comes with a bottle of SPF 59 sunblock and an orange Barbie comb. Brooklyn comes with the same comb in pink and sunblock in orange. She wears a blue visor that says Barbie. Her hair is styled with the front pulled up. She has blue eyeshadow and an ombre lip. And Malibu has silver and pink eyeshadow and a pink lip. Brooklyn wears a blue and white bathing suit with raw scalloped edges on a two-piece set. It velcros in the back and has ruffles over the shoulders. You know me, I do prefer a hemmed edge, but she does come with matching slides and a strawberry purse with painted seeds on one side. Now let's see if these bathing suits can fit our Ballet Wishes Barbies. On the classic made-to-move Barbie body, the top is snug with the straps not reaching comfortably over the shoulders, and the bottoms have a little bit of room. However, with the pink bathing suit, I was able to get the straps over the shoulders. This bathing suit is completely hemmed, and while the top is still kinda snug, the bottoms are also a little loose. But I think it's kind of a cute bathing suit. We can totally use it for a beach getaway during the winter holidays. I like the fashion that we are seeing with Barbie Dream Besties. Here, Barbie Brooklyn has a new look. When she first came out, she had all that tinsel, but now she has those twists that feel like locks. As a person who wears locks, I absolutely love this. She has a center part with her hair styled into two ponytails. She has painted edges, wears pink eyeshadow, and has an ombre lip. Oh, and she has a little gold in her eyeshadow as well. She wears large hoop earrings that say Queen, and they are removable. She wears a pink and white long sleeve crop shirt with a collar. She has little cuffs on the ends and a Barbie bee on her chest. She has a sparkly pleated skirt. The pleats go halfway around and onto the back, except for on this side. Oh, so it's a little asymmetrical skirt. She has pink heel loafers, comes with a pink heart Barbie bag, cloud sunglasses, a handheld fan, music accessories, including earbuds in a heart case. Malibu also has a little refresh, but she still has pink highlights in her hair. The front is braided and the back is down. She has pink eyeshadow, a pink lip color, wears a plastic beaded necklace, a faux denim pink dress with hearts and bows, and she has little faux heart buttons. She has a white Barbie belt around her waist and lace stockings, which I love. She comes with white boots, a glitter bag, hairbrush, black sunglasses, makeup that can open, a bottle of perfume, and a cat. These two have the full Dream Bestie articulation, so they can bend at the knee. And of course, we had to try these outfits out on our classic Barbies. This pink faux denim dress is a little snug up top, and I can't get it to close in the back. But those lace stockings are a total win. Brooklyn's crop top is a little short, but doable, and the skirt is an easy fit. But let us know what you think about all the Barbie finds we found today. Are they a buy or a pass? Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few Barbies and made a new garland for our wall. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!